you look back at weekly and monthly charts, they give you macro levels to adjust. It's my older version of my headshot. Here's a disclosure. Okay, you guys, if you're part of the Alpha team, just I show this real quick. This is who I am, which I'm not going to go through. So again, I want to look back a little bit, just a little bit, on what took place with Meta, because Meta was something that gave us so many clues that this can happen. Sometimes you need a leading indicator as a trader, because the people on TV aren't going to tell you what's going to happen. The people, in social media, you could, some are good, I got to give them that. But the bottom line is the charts are going to tell you what could happen. If one stock could do it, others can. And then if you look here, a lot of these different types of things took place, right? A, B, C, D, E, all these things happened during the process of this, just fall, right? We talk about if you're above the 8-day moving average, you're special. If it's below, you take care. If you're below the 21-day, it's not a swing long. If you're below the 50-day, it's not an investment, especially if it's below the 200-day. So right here, this was literally 384 for Meta. This red bar, this candlestick, okay, we all want to know what candlesticks mean. This bar was your first shot across the bow. This is what, this is who was in charge of the grudge match. Right here is where you didn't have to sell 384 to get out of the way as an investor. Right here, this took out this candle, took out that candle, took out this. So this one candle took out literally, if this is the monthly, 3 months or 3 weeks. Next one, you want to see what happens with the 8 and 21-day moving average, right? So right now, this is your first shot across the bow, but it happens. Here, you had a shot across the bow, but it kind of consolidated and continued. Didn't break the 8-day. So now you look here. All of a sudden, not only did you have a shot across the bow, and it becomes a false breakout. If it would have held and went sideways, great. Instead, it came below and got rejected there, and now the 8 days covering down. That's another signal from the technical world. You know what? This is in trouble. And then from there, what happened? You lost the 8 and the 21-day, right at 299. There were some people like, Red Dog, what do I do? Facebook's below 299. I'm like, sell it. Like, well, I didn't sell it at 384. I didn't sell it at 344. I'm like, well, it's at 299. It looks technically broken. This is where you friggin' sell it. You don't have to catch a top. You probably own it from 199 or wherever you own it from. So you didn't sell the top, okay? Not everybody sells tops. Anyway, here's when the moving averages were lost at 299 after breaking 344, after losing the 8 and 21-day, and the process continued. Now, you come all the way down to the 199 area. What did it create? What do you guys call this? Somebody yell it out. What is this? It's a bear flag, right? So here you have a rally back up, couldn't get above 220, rallied back into the moving averages, got back below this 190, boom, down to 127. This was the 120. This was the 123 I drew literally up here. I'm like, maybe we get to 199, maybe we get to 123. I'm like, if we get to 123, I don't even know what's going to be going on with this world. I did the same thing with AMD in other words. But anyway, again, moving right along below all the moving averages. Here, you're above all the moving averages. It's safe. Below all the moving averages, it's not safe. Went to 123, and then obviously you guys know we went all the way down towards, I think we bottomed at 88, put in a little red dog reversal. If you look back at weekly and monthly charts, they give you macro levels to adjust. If you're an investor, it matters. Your money matters. If you're a swing trader, it definitely matters, because you get caught in a bad swing trade and it goes against your active trading account, you can't get paid monthly or quarterly, it's going to go against all your tactical cash flow. So these things all matter besides your daily cash flow.